Baby girl, we got the whole world screaming. Getting for you, we got the heart of people feeling. Put it to the room and the top to the right side and straight to the back. Ain't nothing on here but that dirty money track. Get about these people, wave their hands and do that rodeo. Aaliyah, what you kick that flat.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Seana, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be a makeup and hair look inspired by Aaliyah as a tribute to her. And I wanted to do this look inspired by this 90s photo shoot she did for Dolce & Gabbana. The makeup looks pretty simple, but it's so 90s and it's that classic Aaliyah look. Alright, so I'm going to start with already having foundation and stuff on because I just want to get right to the actual look. So starting with the eyes, I wanted to try to use colors from her eyeshadow palette, AJ Nothing But a Number. And I'm starting with this middle shade, which is called That Somebody. It's like a light brown or tan shade. I'm doing a very neutral look on the eyes because in this photo shoot, she really does not have much on her eyes. It's very, very natural looking. So yeah, just putting that all over the lids. And then I'm just going to use this darker brown right here. It's called Princess of Soul. I'm just going to use that in the crease and a little bit on the outer corner. And then I took this shimmery gold shade. It's called Creative Copper, and I just put that like in the inner corner and under my brows. Then I decided to go over it with the silver one because I wanted to brighten it up a little bit more, and that one is called Love Smoke. And then I just blend everything out a bit. Just blend, blend, blend. Make it look more natural. Then I decided to take this bronzer, which is called Baby Girl. Aaliyah actually used it as a highlighter. It's actually like really close to my skin color, but I just decided to go over my eyelids a little bit with that, just the middle of my lids. Then I just line my eyes a little bit with black eyeliner just on the top. Just, you know, nothing dramatic. I'm not going to do a dramatic cat eye or nothing. Just a very, you know, simple liner. And then black mascara on the top and bottom lashes. And then I just lightly go over my cheeks with a little bit of blush. Just very, very light and natural, you know. Now it's time for the lips, which are a little bit more dramatic. So, of course, I'm using the Aaliyah MAC liner called Nevermore. This is the dark one. And just gonna outline my lips. And then I use my finger to blend it slightly, but not much, because in this photo shoot, her liner is very defined. I like to put a little bit of Vaseline on my lips before lipstick. And then this is the Aaliyah MAC lipstick called Try Again. It's the very nude shade, so I'm just gonna do my lips with that. Then I'm going to go over that with lip gloss, the Aaliyah lip shade in Lily's Motor City. That's like the very light, peachy, pinkish color. Then I just dabbed it with a tissue a little bit so it wasn't like too thick and wet, because I'm going to go over that with another gloss. Yeah, and then I went on top of it with the Mac Aaliyah lip gloss called Brooklyn Born, which is the very light, pearly shade. Then I ended up going over that with a little bit more of Lily's Motor City, but basically I just mixed those two glosses together on top. And then I just decided to take the baby girl bronzer and just like, you know, just pat my face a little bit with it to just give it a little bit of shimmer and glow. Alright, so that was it for the makeup, and now onto the hair. Basically, well, my hair is already straightened. It's already been flat ironed, so I'm just, you know, basically just gonna style it. And, you know, we just gonna do that signature side part that Aaliyah rocks and, you know, get the hair right in front of the face. And then I just spray some heat protectant on my hair, and then I'm going to take my flat iron on a medium heat and just go over it to straighten it out more and, you know, style it. And then I'm just going to use this Murray's pomade to just kind of like, you know, it just lays down my edges and lay down the flyaways. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil and just kind of smooth that out through my ends and a little bit on my hair just to, you know, give it a little bit of shine. And then brush out the areas where I put the pomade to smooth that out more throughout the hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's it, guys. That's my Aaliyah look, my Aaliyah inspired look. I hope you enjoyed my inspired look in tribute to baby girl Aaliyah. Oh yeah, and check out my friend on Instagram. She has a page called Tributes to Aaliyah where she does Aaliyah inspired looks on her page. All looks where she recreates Aaliyah's photo shoots and videos. She's pretty good, so check her out. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And I will see you in another video. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. We the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.